For the Agile leader who knows they need a clear, compelling, and measurable guide to their Agile adoption strategy, Path to Agility is a flexible, best practices approach tuned to your stakeholders' expectations of what they think Agile is going to give the business, plus appropriate guidance for the phase and maturity of Agile at your organization today. Unlike overly prescriptive heavyweight frameworks, Path to Agility suggests only what is needed at the time that is needed, at the team level, team of teams level, or at the leadership and organization level. You can find out more about Path to Agility in our 2-hour e-learning course, 6 Critical Decisions, or in our Scrum Alliance certified live online Agile Leadership Essentials, Teams, and Organizations workshop. Hope to see you there.